Hi, it's Justin with MarineMax in Charleston, South Carolina. Today I'm going to walk you aboard a brand new 2026 Sea Ray 270 SDX outboard. We can see here it's a beautiful quantum blue hull color. Nice accent lines in the hull, so it's not just a straight fiberglass. It makes it look a really distinguished boat. Stainless steel rub rail. And let's hop aboard. We're aboard the 270 SDX outboard. I want to point out a few key features that I particularly love on this boat. Notice we have an outboard powered motor. This is a white Mercury Verado 300, and we have a full walk-through transom here without any impediments. You're not going to trip or fall. Notice the large sun bathing platform here with audio controls and USB phone chargers. As we make our way forward, starboard side pass through into the two-step down cockpit, where you feel very safe and secure. Ample amounts of seating. This is stone interior. Notice the stitching pattern from Sea Ray. It's all hand sewn. Really adds a touch of class to this boat. Let's make our way forward. We have a double wide helm seat, captain and co-pilot here. Notice the two Simrad GPS displays. Acrylic dash, very clean and modern. This also has an upgraded stereo system with an amplifier and upgraded Fusion speakers. As we walk through, what we're going to notice here is a flushable porcelain head, as well as a hand basin and berth. Above me, we have the sport tower arch option with a fold-in bimini top. Plenty of shade coverage on this boat when you're out in the middle of summer or in the sun. This whole cockpit is covered with shade. Let's make our way forward. Notice how much space we have walking in to the bow. Nice conversation here. Opposing seating, you fit 5 or 6 adults up here very comfortably. Another thing I want to point out, grab handles where you need them, cup holders, anti-slip mats to place your phone from when you're underway. And also here forward we have a built-in through the stem anchor windlass and a beach boarding ladder. So this is Justin with MarineMax Charleston aboard a brand new 2026 Sea Ray 270 SDX outboard. Give us a call or click the link to learn more.